Hello, my name is Chung On. Today I'm presenting for workshop 5 for JAC 444. To start off, I test the output. So here we have the option C, V or Q, and I start with C, and I try to find an input file. Okay, so the output file, I'm gonna name it out1. So now we are prompted to input a bunch of placeholders, and first is an adjective, then we have a noun and so on. Okay, it is now created. So I want to see the file. Okay, it says you can only put C, V or Q, not anything else. So I put V. Now I'm asked for an input file name again. Okay, it's wrong. Okay, I try again. So here we go. According to MadLib1.txt and the placeholders, all these placeholders that I typed just now, we have one of the most silly characters in the fiction is named Tarzan of the Apples, extra space, Tarzan and so on. In the movies, Tarzan is played by Keanu Reeves, extra space. So now I can type Q. So this is the sample output. After the sample outputs, we can move forward to see the actual code. So it is a simple module, and just now I said the choice between C, V, and Q. Even if you choose C, I don't assume any file is named Q, but doesn't matter. If it is not found and you type Q again, then you can quit. And we have the little function for entering the file name to return a file name, the welcome message. And then for the read file, it reads the file as long as the scanned file has a line. It prints every single line and no line missed. And the main meat is the generate MadLib function. So what generate MadLib function does, it is to scan the placeholders, to scan the inputs, and to output a file combining both. So MadLib1.txt, for instance, and whatever you type for the placeholders. So other than the throw statements, I also have a try block, in which case it tries to print whatever you input, and within your inputs you have every single line, and within every single line you have the placeholders, and in case it finds, so we assume all the placeholders, they are between angle brackets. These are angle brackets. Then we have a placeholder. We start a placeholder to replace the hyphen with space, and to ignore the angle brackets, ignore them, to extract things like funny noise, but replace it with a space, so funny space noise. And then the next thing is please type something. So we For files, then it is an adjective, or a like a noun or a name. So that's how we have please type a funny noise colon. And we print every original line of the input file, but we have, of course, the placeholder word followed by a space. So that's how we have extra space. For instance, I just did another file which is out2. So without putting anything, it's all blank, but you still see the space. Tarzan of the nothing, but it's an extra space here. Tarzan is played by nothing, but extra space here. So it should also work for the other files, like MadLibs 0, tag.txt or anything, where you can find the angle brackets for the placeholders. So that's all about this simple word replacing game. Thank you.